Modernizing the State Water Project requires construction activity in the northern Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta. Construction activities for this type of project necessarily requires the movement of both workers and materials. An important objective within the Delta is the reliable and unimpeded mobility along its key roads for both visitors and residents. The Delta Conveyance Design and Construction Authority, DCA, working at the direction of the Department of Water Resources, DWR, is developing a detailed traffic management approach for the Delta Conveyance Project with the objective of maintaining existing road reliability and mobility. Where will most of the construction traffic in the North Delta be centered? In the North Delta, the Delta Conveyance Project will construct 2 new intakes along the Sacramento River, located to the north and south of the community of Hood. Construction of a 150-foot deep shaft east of Interstate 5 will launch tunnel boring machines toward the intakes to the north and the Bethany Reservoir to the south. What was DCA's approach to traffic management?
Constructing a large infrastructure project while maintaining traffic mobility in the area requires 2 basic management strategies: reducing overall trips while avoiding or minimizing the use of key Delta roadway arteries.
The traffic management plan for the Delta Conveyance Project relies on these strategies in multiple ways. Construction traffic related to the intake sites, for example, will be confined to weekday hours except for limited moments requiring continuous concrete pours. What roads or highways in the North Delta will be avoided?
No construction vehicles are planned for Highway 160 between State Route 12 and Cosumnes River Boulevard, except for about a week near the beginning and the end of construction, temporary work to relocate the highway away from the intake sites, and workers who live directly on these roads heading to a project site.
Cosumnes River Boulevard, a key road connecting Highway 160 to Interstate 5, will be avoided. Traffic on Hood-Franklin Road will be limited to employee shuttles and small pickup and utility trucks. Construction traffic on Twin Cities Road will be confined to the interchange at Interstate 5. The selection of a tunnel launch site near Interstate 5 and Twin City roads avoids related traffic impacts within any Delta community. Trips to the intakes will use this interchange exit but avoid this road to the Sacramento River. Instead, transit to the intakes will use a less used road to the north that does not have a freeway interchange, Lambert Road. What efforts were made to lessen worker trips? Workers involved in construction at the 2 intakes will be required to use a new park and ride facility to be constructed as part of the project near the interchange of Interstate 5 and Hood-Franklin Road. Between 150 and 400 construction employees per day would be transported to the construction sites in electric vans and buses.
To further reduce traffic, workers will be offered financial incentives to carpool to the park and ride lot, with the goal of reducing commute-related traffic.
Will any new roads be constructed in the North Delta area? A new road, solely for construction-related traffic, will be constructed as part of the project from Lambert Road north to the 2 intake locations.
Separating the construction traffic on this new road from the existing road system will help maintain mobility for Delta residents and visitors.
For more information, follow us on social media and visit the website at dcdca.org.